pause the video and read the question yourself. Hope you've done that. We want CE. CE could be vector CD plus vector DE. And that will give us A plus B. FE. This is vector FE. So we're going to go FC plus vector CD plus vector DE. So we are going along the same vector direction, so no change of signs. Exactly what you see is what you write, and you simplify. And that gives us also 2A. Now we come to the core part of the question. I've brought CE and FE for reference. M is a point on DE, so there's a point that divides DE because it's the midpoint. So that is half each side. And we're supposed to work out FM. To work out FM, you can decide to go vector FC plus C, vector CD plus vector DM, or vector FE plus EM. I'm going to choose vector FE plus EM because I want to explain something here. So my FM will be equal to FE, which is 2A, then plus EM. Now, I know FE as 2A, but EM is half of vector ED. Remember, I was only given vector DE as B. So if I'm going vector EM, I'm going against the direction of vector B. So I won't just say half B. It has to be a negative half B because it's against the direction. So I now have FM as 2A minus half B. If you go this direction and you work it out, you realize you still have the same thing. A minus B plus A plus half B, and if you simplify, you get the same answer. Okay, I've brought FM also for reference because you're going to make use of it. We are supposed to express CX in terms of A and B, knowing that Fx is 4 and Xm is 1, because there's this point X that divides Fm into different sections. Knowing this from what we said, which means line Fm is divided into 5 parts, and Fx is 4/5 and Xm is 1/5. So that's what we have. We are supposed to work out CX. Now, you can go through different routes. I want to go vector CF plus Fx because I already have Fm, so I can do the fraction of Fm to work out what Fx is. So first, if you want CF, you know that CF you are going against the vector, so the A minus B should change sign. So I'm going to have a negative A plus B instead. It was A minus B as FC. So CF is rather the reverse, which is negative A plus B. Then I'm going to add Fx. So I'm going to work out Fx separately. I know Fx is 4/5 of Fm. Fm is given to me. I've worked it already. So if I expand the bracket, you got to be very careful here. So this becomes 8/5a minus 4/10. 4/10 is simplified as 2/5. Always write your answer in simplest form. So replacing vector Fx with this expression, this is what I will have. Then I have to just simplify. So you have negative a plus 8/5a, which is negative 1 plus 8/5. You need to be good at your fractions to be able to work this out. So when you work it out, you have 3/5 a plus 3/5 of b. And you can factor out 3/5, and you have 3/5 of a plus b. So that's the answer for D. Cx is actually 3/5 of a plus b. So that is our answer. Now let's look at one final question. The same way, check your vector O